Welcome to El Observatorio, a treasure of our history located in the heart of Mazatlán. Here, fun and discovery await children and adults alike. Begin this adventure with an exciting ride on the funicular, marking the start of this journey to the treasures of this place. Immerse yourself in a world of wonder, where nature trails will guide you through our sanctuary, a place where birds and their colors take center stage. Discover the Agave Garden, a corner where lush vegetation stands as testament to resilient life. Dive into history in our museum, where the secrets of the observatory unfold before your curious eyes. As you explore this place, you'll find a moment of relaxation in our charming central courtyard. Don't miss the iguanarium, where you'll enter a tropical paradise full of different species. The little ones can embark on an exciting treasure hunt. Let their imagination soar as they uncover hidden secrets in every corner. We invite you to participate in a meaningful cacao ritual in our ancestral gathering center, Raíces, the Sky Bar, where dreams rise along with drinks and the view from the heights will leave you breathless. We invite you to experience moments of magic at the tourist park Observatorio 1873.